while the world sleeps, something awakens.
An owl's eyes cannot move, so it never looks away. It waits.
To see everything in the dark, it turns its head farther than almost any other creature on Earth.
When it flies, even the night cannot hear it.
Once those talons close, there is no second chance.
To loots. It doesn't need to see its prey. The smallest sound is enough. It is not just a hunter. It is a silent guardian of the night's balance.
As you sleep, it watches, and the night remains under its command.